Hi guys, and welcome back to class. So in this class we're going to be continuing the series from the last class, and in the last class we discussed multicam editing, sequences, creating it and editing in multicam sequences. Well, in this lesson I'll be going a bit further and I'll be teaching you how to sync the audio of different clips together so you have easier access to editing properly. So in this file I have different audios from different files, but they said literally the same thing. This actually dining room laughter, but you do not need to have the exact audio. But one of the things I would be doing is that I would be syncing this audio together, so when I am cutting in my multicam sequence, it's going to be easier for me to edit, so they can have the same audio. So when they have the same audio, what I'll just be doing is I'll be muting one channel and I'll be leaving one channel, but I want to be sure the two sequences are on the right track. So if we come down right here, I'm going to be selecting these two different clips, and what I'll do is I'll be commanding or telling Premiere to actually sync the audio. And how do you sync? You right click, then you come right to synchronize. So when you click synchronize, what Premiere Pro does is it tries its best to make sure that they are on point. So you click OK, and you can see how Premiere Pro adjusts this thing to the perfect time. So when you play this, we have literally the same audio playing at the same time. So what you're just going to be doing is you're going to be muting and you're going to be playing to have the feel of what the multicam sequence is like. So that's all about editing using the sync audio feature in Adobe Premiere Pro. One of the other ways you can also actually sync this is to sync this manually, but you do not want to go through the stress of syncing all these manually. So bye for now. See you in the next class.